Central Member of Parliament, Honorable Edem Kofi Potosu, visited one of his branch executives who has been undergoing treatment for amputation. In a gesture of solidarity, he presented the executive with a wheelchair, expressing appreciation for his dedication and service. According to Honorable Potosu, the visit was a humble token of gratitude for the executive's unwavering commitment. He prayed for the executive's speedy recovery, wellness, and restoration to full health, wishing him abundant blessings, resilience, and hope. The MP's gesture has been seen as a demonstration of his commitment to supporting his constituents, particularly those in need. Potosu has been actively engaging with his constituents recently in his office, opening up in an open door service manner for people to walk in and give advice on how to build the constituency. The executive's family and colleagues are grateful for the outpouring of love shown by Botusu. This is a Koko Anumu story. Whole Central MP agar akamachire kaji yika o dona alobe kafla magatem zozomu ke ene ulche ene keke be onome alobe onutusumo no yimbobom alobe ihe atano kpekpem rokwi